Comfort food refers to specific dishes or types of cuisine that are typically associated with feelings of nostalgia and emotional well-being. These foods are often characterized by their satisfying and familiar flavors, which can evoke positive memories or provide a sense of security and contentment. Comfort foods are highly subjective and can vary widely from person to person, but there are some commonalities within regions. Let's explore, state by state, some iconic meals that evoke nostalgia and are deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of each region. Alabama, fried chicken and biscuits. Alaska, salmon, particularly smoked or grilled. Arizona, Sonoran hot dogs wrapped in bacon and topped with various condiments. Arkansas, chicken and dumplings, a hearty Southern classic. California, fish tacos, especially those with fresh catches from the coast. Colorado, green chili, often smothering burritos or served as a stew. Connecticut, New Haven-style pizza, known for its thin crust and clams. Delaware, scrapple, a breakfast meat made from pork scraps and cornmeal. Florida, key lime pie, a sweet and tangy dessert. Georgia, peach cobbler, showcasing the state's juicy peaches. Hawaii, plate lunch with options like teriyaki chicken or loco moco. Idaho, loaded baked potatoes with various toppings. Illinois, Chicago-style deep dish pizza, a hearty and cheesy delight. Indiana, Hoosier tenderloin sandwich, a breaded and fried pork tenderloin. Iowa, loose meat sandwiches, similar to a sloppy joe. Kansas, BBQ burnt ends, flavorful and smoky meat bites. Kentucky, hot brown sandwich, an open-faced turkey and bacon sandwich. Louisiana, gumbo, a rich and spicy stew often made with seafood and sausage. Maine, lobster roll, featuring buttery lobster meat in a hot dog bun. Maryland, Maryland crab cakes, showcasing local blue crab. Massachusetts, clam chowder, a creamy and comforting soup. Michigan, Coney Island hot dog, topped with chili, onions, and mustard. Minnesota, tater tot hotdish, a casserole made with ground beef and tater tots. Mississippi, fried catfish, often served with hush puppies. Missouri, toasted ravioli, crispy breaded pasta filled with cheese or meat. Montana, bison burger, a lean and flavorful alternative to beef. Nebraska, runza, a bread pocket stuffed with seasoned ground beef and cabbage. Nevada, prime rib, the champion of beef roasts, tender and rich in flavor. New Hampshire, apple cider donuts, a sweet treat for autumn. New Jersey, Taylor ham, aka pork roll, egg and cheese on a Kaiser roll. New Mexico, green chile stew, a spicy and hearty dish. New York, New York-style pizza with thin, foldable slices. North Carolina, pulled pork barbecue, often served with coleslaw. North Dakota, Noefla soup, a hearty dumpling soup. Ohio, Cincinnati chili, served over spaghetti or hot dogs. Oklahoma, chicken fried steak, a breaded and fried beef steak. Oregon, Marionberry pie featuring the local Marionberry fruit. Pennsylvania, Philly cheesesteak, a sandwich with thinly sliced beef and cheese. Rhode Island, clam cakes, deep-fried balls of clam dough. South Carolina, shrimp and grits, a classic low-country dish. South Dakota, chislic, deep-fried seasoned meat cubes. Tennessee, Nashville hot chicken, spicy fried chicken served with pickles. Texas, BBQ brisket smoked to perfection. Utah, funeral potatoes, a cheesy potato casserole often served at gatherings. Vermont, maple syrup-covered pancakes or waffles. Virginia, country ham biscuits, a southern breakfast favorite. Washington, salmon chowder, showcasing the state's seafood. West Virginia, pepperoni roll, a baked roll filled with pepperoni. Wisconsin, cheese curds, especially deep-fried. Wyoming, bison chili, featuring lean bison meat. As we wrap up our tour of comfort foods in all 50 states, we've discovered the remarkable diversity of American culinary traditions. From the simplicity of a Virginia biscuit to the complexity of Louisiana gumbo, each dish reflects the values of home, family, and tradition. We hope this presentation has provided you with a deeper appreciation for the flavors that bring comfort and joy to American homes. Did your favorite make the list? Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking below. Thanks for watching.